Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. I am here with a unboxing of my new planner for 2024 that I'm really excited to show you guys. So you can already see this is the Take a Note 2024. I ordered mine from a blank note and it came very quickly. And also came with this freebie, so a little stamps, ephemera and stamp samples, and then some washi samples. If you are not familiar with the Take a Note planner layout and format, I do have a YouTube video that I will link down below that you can check it out. It is the A5 size. And if you don't know, I have been using the Take a Note A5 size for 2 years now. This is the A5. It has actually gotten pretty chunky. This is just kind of a quick overview of what the layout is. I love it so much. It is a week on 4 pages. And the columns are just enough that you can journal and you can stick some small ephemera bits and pieces. You can do some collaging and things like that, which I think is perfect, as opposed to the very narrow columns of like a Hobonichi cousin, for example. And then there is kind of a weekly glance or weekly overview on the left side as well. So really love that. And the paper is Tomoe River paper as well, so it's a really nice thin paper. But I decided to change it up for next year, 2024. I will not be using an A5 size, but I decided I will be using an A6 size instead, and I'm so excited. I'm excited especially because I was a little bummed when I decided not to use a Take a Note for 2024 at first. And then I felt really sad that because I loved it for the last 2 years, but I knew that it was not for me for 2024 and for what I needed. But then I thought of another use for the A6, so that is what I decided to get. And now I'm really happy that I can still have a Take a Note in my lineup. So it comes in this box. And it is wrapped nice and wrapped up. I will mention it also came with a PVC cover, so that is really nice. Okay, let's just slide it out. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's such a nice size. So this is just a thank you card. And this is like little bookmark. I love it. Oh, this is a calendar card, so it has your annual at a glance. Love that. Okay, here it is. Let's go ahead and open it and take it out of the plastic wrapping. So I forgot to mention that this is actually called the Take a Note Schedule Planning Mini. I'm not sure why they say mini, but it is an A6 size. All right, so taking it out of the packaging. So it does have an exposed binding, which is a little bit more unique in bound book planners. Like I said, it is an A6. Let me grab a Midori A6 to compare. So that is how it is. And it is like a cardstock cover. So I think that's why, because it's a cardstock cover, that's why it comes with a PVC plastic cover. But you can also easily put this in like leather covers as well. So I have my olive leather cover that you can easily put it into like that. That looks quite nice. And I will probably just keep it in the plastic cover, to be honest. Right, so let's take a look. So here is the like yearly perpetual calendar, I guess, or habit calendar type of thing. Oh wait, this is the more of like the habit planner, or like the actual year at a glance. And then there are the monthly views. So I really like the monthly views in Take a Notes because there's so much space on the left side. It's really great. And it goes all the way until March of 2025, which is amazing. And then it starts right on January 1st. So So I will mention that the mini version only comes in Chinese, I believe, whereas the A5 version does come in English. So there will be some Chinese characters written throughout. But like the days of the week is still in English, so it's generally really hard to notice. So yeah, oh my gosh, I just love the size so much. I may actually continue to be using an A6, but I do love the Take a Note layout, so I'm really happy to keep a Take a Note in my lineup for next year. Alright, so that is the video, just a quick unboxing and overview on this new planner. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!